Want to use walk navigation in Blender? Let's learn it. First, place your camera in the scene by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus numpad 0. Now press Shift plus F to start walk navigation. Use W to move forward and S to move backward. Press D to move right and A to move left. Press E to move up and Q to move down. Move your mouse to look around and control the camera smoothly. Boom! Now you can navigate your scene like a game. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Blender Money Studio for more quick Blender tips.